All right, and what is up, guys? We are back. I've got the car all nice and clean. We're about to head out to the Rudy's and Tomball meet now. I'm hoping it's going to be a pretty good turnout. Like I said, I'm not going to be with Josh tonight. I'll be riding solo. I hope to get some good footage for you guys. I hope, like I said, it's going to be a great turnout. It's going to be my first time heading out there. So, like I said, once we get out there, I'll show you guys a little bit of the action. Until then. And what is up, guys? We are back. I have made it out here to the Rudy's and Tomball. Sorry about the hair. Wind's kind of crazy out here right now. Hopefully you can hear me. It started not too long. Oh, very nice. The meet started not too long ago. It's going to end about 9 o'clock. I'm going to give y'all some sneak peeks here at what I've been looking at around the parking lot. It's not too bad so far. Without further ado, so that'll be a wrap for tonight at the car meet at Rudy's in Tomball. You never know, hopefully soon, maybe one will come to Rudy's in spring. Doubt that'll happen, but you never know. You push hard enough, you can get whatever you want. We got one person leaving right here. We'll see if he gives us a little send-off for the video. That like button, subscribe to the channel, turn that notification bell on for all the latest updates and videos that we'll have.